So we're a little late to the party. Julio already knocked out the inside. We're on the maintenance. Another maintenance right now. Just turned the breaker out, about to get the capacitor checked out. Turn it back on. We'll check all our wire knots, check everything on the contactor. We already primed the drain. We primed the drain. Gotta get this thing checked out. Just came across on the maintenance 45 cap reading 38. So this unit has been running inefficiently. Julio cleaning out, dusting everything, new cap installed, everything wired up good. Good to go. Get it turned on, check the refrigerant, check another TD, and then we all finish here. About to storm. Everything back up and running good now. Drain was super nasty.